Let's search for flappybird.io. Many of you know this game. You probably played this game when you were kids. Today we'll do the same game using Unity, and we will use C# for implementing the functionality. So let's do it. So let's start by creating a new 2D application, then rename it, click Create Project, wait till it finishes. Now we need the images that we will use for building the game. To do that, let's search for Flappy Bird Atlas. Let's open this one, and here we go. So download this collection. Okay, and you have it. Move the image to the assets, then make it here multiple, here point, and here none. Then start selecting those elements which we will use and click apply. Now move the background to the scene. Then make the camera borders touch the background borders. Rename it to background. Then grab the bird 3 image to the scene to make an animation. And run. See, the bird moves its wings quickly. Now we'll make it move slower on the animation tab by dragging the last keyframe to 0.10 and the second keyframe to 0.05. Run again. Okay, looks good. Let's move the ground image to the scene and allocate it at the bottom of the background. Rename it to platform and rename the bird as well. Add a box collider 2D to the platform, then add a rigid body 2D and capture collider 2D to the bird. Let's run. Okay, we can't see the ground because its order on layer should be 1. Run again. Okay, the bird didn't touch the ground because we have to adjust its capture collider 2D to take its shape. So let's do it. And now it should be work. Now let me create a folder for our scripts, then create new C# file and open it on Visual Studio. Here we will write the code to handle the mouse click down event in order to make the bird go up on each mouse click on it. Now save the changes. Okay, now go back and assign the C# file to the bird and run. Okay, that's great. Now we will add the obstacles by moving the pipes image to the scene and allocate them this way. Then rename them, select them, and assign a box collider 2D. Now create a new empty game object and allocate it to be between these 2 pipes. Then add the pipes to the game object. Let's create a new C# file and open it with Visual Studio. Now here we will write the code that make the obstacles, which are the pipes, move to the left. Then save the file and assign it to the obstacles and run the project. Now we have to see the pipes coming to the left side. Okay, again I forgot to set the pipes order on layer to 1. So let's do it and run the project. Okay, perfect. And make sure to make the box collider borders touch the ground borders. Now let's try to make the obstacles coming endlessly. We will do that by creating a new empty game object, name it spawner, and allocate it at the most right. Then create a C# file for the spawner. Then open it with Visual Studio. And here basically we will write the code that will make the pipes keep coming endlessly. Finally, save the file and go back to Unity to assign the spawner file to the spawner object. Then drag the obstacles to the assets in order to make a prefab. Then assign it to the obstacle variable on the spawner component. Then run the project. Awesome, much better.
Wow!
And here we go, the final step of this video. We will make the ground move with the bird by creating an animation of the platform. Then move it on both sides with playing with the keyframes and make them linear to make the ground loop. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you had fun. See you in a new video with a new game.